YouTube layout. It's a little like I just seen. It has the channel art. You can edit it and you create and customize it. And I like this layout, how it lays out your subscriber view or unsubscribe view. Or you can change the trailer. You can upload a trailer like my YouTube, or you can do that and then save it. And then you can have it for your fans. Anyway, this video is going to follow into a Twitter versus Facebook. Actually, this is going to be a YouTube layout. So, welcome to the new YouTube layout. And, I hope you enjoy this layout. There's other channels that's used.